about 6:15 in the morning. Got the bike cleaned up a little bit and headed down to Myrtle for Bike Week for a couple of days. Cliff's going to be there a little while later, but while we're on the road, Nick's going to meet us to do a little ride down for the day with us, and he's got to head back for some work, but we'll be heading on down there. Wow, what another beautiful day. Headed down to Myrtle Beach for the 87th Myrtle Beach Spring Bike Rally, or known as the Harley Davidson Bike Rally. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to get up to like 87 degrees. It's 68 right now. Going to beat Nick about halfway, or I guess about an hour and 15 minutes into it. Probably going to hit some traffic along the way, but we're going to meet up at a gas stop I kind of picked out along the way, and have a great time. Show you guys around while we're down there. Gas time. See, Nick's already here. Looks like he's already got a biscuit out ready to go. So we're going to fill up here and shoot on down the road. We're trying to make it there before 11. You'll see why when we get there. See you guys when we get there.
What up? Sorry I was late. Freaking, well, I actually got up so early and then, I've been coming through this area pretty much my entire life, headed down to different beaches off the North Carolina and South Carolina both coasts. It's a nice little area around here. It's always been really, for the most part, wheel cup up and nicer area of houses. But anyway, it's I have a little pass through on the other side that you can kind of, I guess, bypass or either just come up here on the highway, the road. But with the traffic and the bigger trucks taking that way, I always used to like to try to scoot through the quote unquote historic or downtown part of it so that we can get on down the road. If the trucks are taking that route, we can get on in and out. Little three-way stop, well, two-way stop up here that's kind of funky, but it'll be all right. Looks like we're not the only ones headed to the beach. Look at there. Couple more bikes heading down the road. Whoa, baby. So again, this is Bennettsville. We'll go down here off Main Street, take a left. Nothing special, nothing fancy, but it's kind of I guess you want to call it a rite of passage to get down to the beach. Pretty cool. Marlboro County is where we're at, and you're getting ready to see the courthouse, which is a pretty cool little thing. So when you're coming back from the beach, like coming through here and seeing Marlboro Courthouse, pretty nifty thing. So it's right there on the left. But it's Marlboro County. .501 south, headed to Myrtle Beach. Again, it's about 67 degrees. Been on the road probably a little over 100 some miles, maybe 160, I don't know. But again, beautiful country, and kind of got to watch the speed going through here. But it's definitely some great weather and great area to ride down through. It's a highway, but not. I said we're on 501, but we're actually still on 38. We're going to be on 501 here in about 20 miles, but we're actually still on 38 after we came through Bennettsville in Marlboro. And again, just kind of trickling down the road compared to being at highway speeds, and trying to be careful of getting down the road. So we'll see you guys when we get there. I drove under one of those vehicles right there, and yeah, ever since then, all I can think about is driving my bike under one of those. So yeah, I probably will never do it, but yeah, that'd be kind of just one of those thoughts, kind of a fast and furious moment for motorcycles. But yeah, anyway. We're about an hour and a half from my destination, not necessarily Myrtle Beach, probably an hour from Myrtle, but we're about an hour and a half from where I gotta be, which is the Harley Davidson shop right off 17 in Myrtle Beach, not North Myrtle, but Myrtle Beach. That's where a road spin striping is set up, and I have watched this guy do several bikes. Super happy with his work, super happy with what I've seen him do, and just like everything in Myrtle or any bike week, usually the beginning of the week there's not a lot going on, but as the week goes on, people start getting stuff done, and it's harder to get in. So I usually, well, the couple times that I have worked with him, I've set up an appointment, kind of talked about what I was looking at, what I was looking for. For me, it was really easy. I was kind of basing it off the last bike and what I did on that, so not that hard, but hopefully we will be able to get some work done to this one, and let you guys tell me what you think in the comments once it's done. So see you guys when we get there. In South Carolina, 501. Been a great ride down so far. Thank Nick. As we were going down the highway a little while ago, something flew up and just nailed him in the leg. He rolled up and said, I want lowers. I need lowers. So see how bad that is. I guess when we stopped down here, he was rubbing it pretty hard when we hit the stop sign. But hopefully everything's all right. But yeah, you get vehicles like that one carrying around all this stuff, hanging around off everything, and then it'll just distinct possibility it just falling off or popping out or whatever else. Gotta be careful, and some things you just can't see, especially if you're riding behind somebody and it just pops up. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Oh, it's 1 mile. Got a little further to go for ours, but again, right here at Myrtle, got about 45 minutes to where we got to get to. Pretty close right here. Myrtle Beach Bike Week. I think this is the 86th Myrtle Beach Bike Week, if I am not mistaken. See you guys when we get there. just on the other side of Conway. So it started heating on up. It's now 76 degrees already. Well, Steel Nation. Nice size football stadium. Nice. Yeah, you'll see this traffic pretty much all the way into Myrtle Beach, and this is actually pretty good. You hit this on a Saturday leaving or a Sunday coming in, it's usually pretty horrible. So yeah, it's not too awful shabby. We have to make sure that we hit a gas stop up here on the way in so that we can get something to drink and gas before we get to the beach and have to kind of get a little more traffic. So again, this is Thursday, Myrtle Beach Bike Week 2026. Twin Throttle Travels. See you guys when we get there. Head over to the Harley shop. Up here at the front park, I'm gonna have to go around to the back. Sit right there. Bud, I appreciate it. After spending about half a day at the Harley shop, I got all the work done I wanted. I'll pull off and get a good video of it going around so you guys can see. Pretty happy with it. Really do like the way it looks. It's kind of what I wanted. It gave me some black and silver and blue within the paint scheme that I kind of really wanted.